Hi guys, so Mr. Andrew here. Today I've got a very short explanation on some of the different spellings of plural nouns in English. So, as you know, basically the plural in English is just adding an S on the end of it. So this is very simple. We know that one flower becomes two flowers, one player becomes two players, one computer becomes two computers. Okay, that one's easy. So in general, English is very easy. You just add an S on the end, and we're ready. But there are some that have some different spellings. Let's see if we can learn some rules so that we know how to spell it correctly. So, for example, a very common spelling is for words that end in S, SH, CH, or X. Okay, we can't just add an S on. We need to put an E in the middle. So bus becomes buses, dish becomes dishes, box becomes boxes, for example. If the word ends in Y, we have to take away the Y, change it for an I, and add yes the same. So baby becomes babies. Party becomes parties. Okay, this one most of you are familiar with. You've seen it quite often, but sometimes you forget. But if before that Y there is an A, an E, or an O, okay, we just add the S on. This here, it doesn't change. So day becomes days. Monkey becomes monkeys. Okay, these are exceptions to the Y rule. And finally, and this one is probably one of the most complicated ones. A lot of you guys, you forget this one. If the word ends in F or FE, we change it for a V, okay? So shelf becomes shelves, knife, knives, wife, wives, wolf, wolves, okay? This one is one of those most complicated ones, but once you learn it, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, what happens? There are also some words that are always plural. So, for example, scissors, okay, yeah, we have two blades. It's one pair of scissors, but it has two blades, so we count it as plural. Glasses, two lenses, it's always plural. Trousers, we put two legs in, always plural. Shorts, always plural, the same. And then finally, we have some irregular spellings, okay? I'm afraid that these don't really follow any set rules, and the only way is to learn them, okay? These are some of the most basic ones. For example, man becomes men, woman becomes women, child becomes children. We can't say childs, please, no more childs. Foot, feet, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice. Okay, that one's completely irregular. And then finally, there's some plurals that in the singular and the plural, they stay the same. So sheep is sheep, one sheep, or a lot of sheep. Fish is the same, but it is actually now accepted to say fishes, but it should be more correct to say fish. So fish and fish. Okay, well, that's all. I've left you a little crossword here with some plurals. All you need to do is you need to download it, print it, and you can complete it. I think it's quite fun, and I think you'll enjoy doing it. Okay, guys, bye. I hope you like the